Hello everyone, myself Amit Patel. Welcome to our YouTube channel Field Video Production. In this video, we are generating the code of interest finding calculator with the help of ChatGPT and deploy on Nitlify free hosting website. So start. So first we are open ChatGPT and write for generating the code HTML and CSS code. Also finding called interest finding code. So ChatGPT will automatically generate three type of code: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. First they will generate HTML code, and then second they generate separate CSS code. So this is the code of CSS. So we are copy this paste on the HTML and CSS and JavaScript files. So our code is generating. Just wait only few seconds. JavaScript code is already generating. So first creating our index.html file, index.html, style.css, and then we are creating JavaScript file. So this is our files, style.css. Then we are copy the code of for generating by the ChatGPT and paste on files, index.html file, and then copy the CSS code and paste on CSS file. And same as for JavaScript code for logic of the finding calculator of interest. So paste on Java file, java.cs, and then we are check this code is running good or not. So open, go live, and check with the help values. So we are putting the values of principal amount 1000 rupees, and the interest rate is 2, and for the year of 2, sorry 1. For checking the value is 1. So calculate. So they will automatically finding the interest. Interest is 20 rupees and total amount is 1020 rupees. So deploy this on GitHub and host on Netlify. So open the GitHub account. Just type GitHub and my GitHub account is open. So for this we are making the repository. So open new repository. Just type 9 name of the repository on repository name interest C. This name is available. Okay, so this name is available, and then we are add a readme file and then create repository. Okay, then you are go to the next page and then add files. So go to the folder and just choose your files. We are choosing all three files. Uploading is done. Then commit changes. So our repository is done. Then we are open the Netlify website for deploying our website. So just open Netlify, and then we are selecting these for personal. We are deploying this for personal, and this is the web application. And just I select freelancing, and the name of the repository is interest C, interest calculator. Just name our interest calculator. Okay. Then we are continue to deploy with GitHub. Open. Oh, so authorized. Okay. So we are finding our repository name with the help of search. So search your repository with the search box. So just type interest. They will give you a repository. So click on repository interest C. Then deploy interest C to Netlify. They will deploy automatically. So just wait. So our deployment is done, completed. So our site is deployed. So check this with the help of URL. So click on this and copy the URL and just paste on another page. Open new page and paste on this. They will give you the sorry, this is not the URL. So this is our URL. So copy this and paste and then check. Okay, copy and paste on new tab. So they will work. Okay. So we check this, but it is correct or not. Principal amount is 1000 rupees, interest is 2%, and for 1 year, we will give you 20 rupees, and the total amount is 1020 rupees. Thank you. Follow for more. Thank you.